Hey, it's Dave from Aspiring here talking about how you can get the most out of PowerPoint. And today we're talking about the importance of consistent alignment in your PowerPoint deck. And it's especially important when you're using PowerPoint to develop proposal material, but of course also for presentations and webinars as well, because misaligned content can very quickly pull your audience right out of the content that you're trying to present, that you're trying to get them to pay attention to. And I'll show you an example of what I mean here. I'll share my screen. You can see a few properly aligned slides per our company's branding standards. The first three slides, we know that they're aligned because if we go to view and turn on our guides, we see that the headers and the supporting content, they're all lined up properly. They're exactly where they should be. So your audience is going to stay engaged. They won't get distracted. But in slides 4, 5, and 6, everything's misaligned. It's the same material, the same content, but it's kind of moving all over the place. And it's distracting. It's going to pull your audience right out. So if you want to keep them engaged, turn on your guides, make sure your headers, your supporting content, they're all aligned, and you can then put your best foot forward.